Usually when we want to delete one app from our laptop or from our computer, we can do in a way. Select this control panel. We do the search here, control panel. Then we select uninstall. But sometimes we can't delete through this uninstall, through this control panel. So, how do I delete the app that cannot be deleted through this control panel? There is the way that I do to delete the app that can't be deleted in the control panel. This is how. Just go to Run here, yeah. In this search type, run this one. Next, in this open box type regedit, like this, then OK. Next, can be selected in the section. Here. This one clicks. Then select it. This software. Select. Next. Select. This Microsoft. Here. Next select. Windows, we are looking for your Windows. Here. Next. Select this current version. Next select Uninstall. This one. Well, in this uninstall later, guys can see programs to delete or applications to delete. SO for example, that want removed that. Example yes, but I didn't delete it because I still need it. Like this I right-click. Then later I select delete. After later successfully deleted, guys can press on the keyboard F5 to refresh. On the computer, guys. Well, that's the way to remove application or program that cannot be deleted in control panel. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.